Once upon a time in the United States, an extraordinary phenomenon occurred. 50 ordinary women, one from each state, suddenly found themselves bestowed with incredible superpowers. These women were as diverse as the states they represented, from farmers to scientists, teachers to entrepreneurs. Yet fate had chosen them to defend their homeland against a vile threat that loomed large over the entire nation. This vile threat, an insidious creature known as the Chaos Bringer, had emerged from the depths of darkness, intending to wreak havoc across the land. It was an abomination that fed on fear, despair, and chaos, thriving on the discord it created. As it swept through the country, the Chaos Bringer left destruction in its wake, and panic gripped the nation. But as the darkness spread, a beacon of hope appeared. One by one, these 50 women discovered their newfound abilities. Each woman received her powers in a way that was significant to her state's unique culture and history, with abilities ranging from controlling elements to manipulating gravity and communicating with animals to extraordinary strength and agility. As word of their superpowers spread, the women quickly became known as the States Guard. They banded together, learning to combine their powers and work as a team to confront the Chaos Bringer. From sea to shining sea, the States Guard pursued the creature, always a step behind but never losing hope. The journey of the States Guard was filled with trials and tribulations. They encountered setbacks and challenges, which only served to strengthen their resolve and deepen their bond. They trained together, honing their skills and mastering their newfound powers. Each woman learned to appreciate the unique abilities of her fellow sisters, forging an unbreakable connection among them. As the States Guard fought to protect their homeland, they faced a series of challenges in the form of the Chaos Bringer's dark minions. These minions were malevolent creatures, each designed to instill terror and spread chaos in different ways. In each state, the local heroine confronted and defeated the minion, slowly weakening the Chaos Bringer's grip on the country. The States Guard's tireless efforts inspired hope and courage in the hearts of the people, who rallied behind them in support. After months of chasing the Chaos Bringer and fighting its minions, the States Guard finally cornered the creature in the heart of America. The climactic battle took place on a vast plain, with the entire nation holding its breath, watching and praying for their heroine's success. The Chaos Bringer was formidable, but the States Guard were relentless. They used their unique abilities to counteract the creature's dark influence, each one relying on the strength of her fellow sisters. As they fought together, the States Guard managed to weaken the Chaos Bringer and devised a strategy to defeat it once and for all. The battle raged on, with the earth shaking under the force of their combined powers. The States Guard fought valiantly, determined to protect their nation and put an end to the darkness. With every passing moment, the Chaos Bringer grew weaker, until at last it was vanquished, its dark influence eradicated from the land. Exhausted but triumphant, the States Guard returned to their homes, celebrated as heroes by the people they had saved. The bonds they had formed during their incredible journey were unbreakable, and they vowed to remain united, ready to defend their nation from any future threats. And so, the legend of the States Guard was born, a testament to the resilience, strength, and unity of the American spirit. Their story was passed down through generations, inspiring countless others to stand up for their communities and to believe in the power of unity and courage. The tale of the States Guard became a symbol of hope, a reminder that when ordinary people come together, they can achieve extraordinary things and overcome even the most daunting challenges. Over time, the States Guard became a cherished part of American folklore. Their heroics celebrated in songs, stories, and art. They were role models for generations to come, showing that courage, determination, and unity could triumph over darkness and adversity. Each year, on the anniversary of their victory, the States Guard would reunite to honor their journey and the friendships they had forged. Their bond remained strong, transcending the borders of their individual states and standing as a testament to the power of sisterhood and solidarity. As the years passed, the States Guard continued to watch over the nation, always ready to come to its defense. They became mentors and advisors to new generations of heroes, sharing their wisdom and experience to ensure the safety and prosperity of the country.